Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to order PCB through NextPCB. NextPCB is a PCB design company in China, and I have ordered some PCBs from them. So this video would be a walkthrough on how to order a PCB through NextPCB. So before jumping into ordering, let me quickly give you an overview of what kind of PCB that I am going to order through Next PCB. So for that, let's go to KiCad and see what the PCB I have designed. So this is basically NRF 54 based uh, design that I want to order. It has NRF 54L15 and it has sensors from Infineon. It's actually a radar sensor and another sensor that's IR array sensor from Panasonic. So essentially these two things are there, and I want to order this PCB through Next PCB. So for that, first thing I need to do is export the Gerber files and other files such as drill files and positioning file, that is CPL file. So to generate that, I need to go to file and fabrication output, and then I click on Gerber, and here I can generate the Gerber file. I can include different layers that I want in my PCB fabrication. Basically, you can keep it default and just click on plot. So it will generate all the files for you, and then you can generate drill files from here itself. Similarly, for CPL files, you can go to fabrication output and go to component placements. CPLs are basically component placement files. They provide the the coordinates for different components that you have in your PCB. So from here you can generate position file, and once done that, you are done with the KiCad, and then you should jump to next PCB ordering process. Then go to PCB quote standard PCB, and you will be on the page to order the PCB. Then click on Gerber files, and I have a Gerber file in mmweb PCB, and here is my Gerber files. So I'm going to upload it. Now it's analyzing. I'm going to order FR4 PCB for now. It's a simple PCB, but you can select aluminum if you have like something like LED or something. Or if you want to order flexible PCB, you can also do that from here. In my PCB, I have 4 layers, so that's default 4. And basically, the online ordering system will find out all the parameters from Gerber itself. So, for example, it has find out the size of the PCB, that's 50 by 50, and default is 5 pieces. I don't want more than that. Then I can select PCB thickness is 1.6 mm. Rest of the things you can keep it default. Uh, I don't have any blind or buried vias. If you need an impedance control, let's say if you have a USB line that has 90 ohm impedance controlled, then you can click on yes, and then you can also provide stack up data. So that will be easier for the engineers uh, to calculate the impedance for you. And then if you want to add a PCB assembly, then click on add PCB assembly and then click on continue. Here you will need to include the centroid file. So my centroid file is this one. So I have uploaded. Then I can select PCB quantity, that's basically 2, and assembly side is just single-sided PCB, and yeah, everything else should be default. Then I need to create a BOM file. So for BOM file, here is a example. You should you need to generate BOM file in this format. So basically I have already got the BOM file, and I will just upload it where it is. It's this one. So now it will just calculate it will find out the components for us and calculate the price. And if some component is not found, it will tell us that it's not found. So we should wait for the quotation. So all the components that are not ticked here are pending for confirmation from NextPCB. Once they confirm, then you get a new total, subtotal, and then you can uh, pay for the bill. So then you can just click on Add to Cart, and once you have done that, you can track your order like in all orders. So here there are some things that you need to look at it. After you order the PCB, just have a look on EQ question, that is engineering questions. They may ask you some questions here, and you should answer those DFA queries on this